Today I'm taking a look at the AKM Insulated Pliers set. So that is a nice looking set. It does come with this nice foam insert, so we can take the whole thing, throw it right in our toolbox. And that is a nice two-tone with a carbon fiber look on the top, so it's going to make the toolbox look very nice when you open it. This is interesting. Everything is cut out, even the insert right here between the pliers themselves. That's something you definitely do not normally get. So let's get our Linesman pliers. First thing I can say, they have a very nice feel to them. What I mean by that is that there is basically no friction in that joint. I can feel a very tiny bit, but not much at all. This is a very smooth action. You can see that as a standard red and yellow coloring. We do have this guard right here to protect against arcing. Got the branding right there on the inside, and it is stamped right there for a 1000-volt rating. It also says it's a 180mm plier. You can see we've got a nice machine finish there on the plier itself, and we can see a nice polished surface there on the rivet. You've got some good looking teeth, and there is no wiggle in the tip. Here is our needle nose. Again, there is no wiggle there in the tip. That is something that is very uncommon with needle oils, but these actually line up very well. The cut is definitely down the center. Sometimes I've seen that cut be off a little bit, and we got the same nice smooth joint. It says this is a 160mm. For our side cutters, this one's a little bit more stiff, but definitely not by much. They actually put some little grips right here on the handle. It says that's a 160. And last up, we got our adjustable pliers. Cool. So yeah, the mechanism on there actually works very well. That's something that is surprisingly rare these days. It says that is a 250mm. And again, we got some good looking teeth on there. Yep, no problem. So definitely insulated, at least for 120 volts. So overall, that is a very nice set.